Good morning class 5. Today we will revise these chapter 3, that is the story of Akash. Subject English. Okay, so this story, the story of Akash, this was written by Lalita Sridhar. Now let's take a quick recap about this story. Now, who was the narrator of this story? That is the Akash, the sky. Okay, that is the narrator of the story. And what is the main character of that story? That is the Ramu. That is Ramu. And his complete name was, what is complete name? That is Ram Bhadra Narayan Murthy. That is the full name of a very little child, and he was living in a small village, and he wore cotton dhoti and a simple jacket, and he and his father, they keep domesticate animals like cow, goat, because these animals gives milk. Okay, then Ramu is a playful boy. He is very obedient boy, and he is very helping boy. He is helpful. Why it is helpful? Because he help his family members to build his hut. So that's why he is very helpful boy. And second characteristic of this boy, that is the playful, because he loved to climb on trees and he loved to play in an open field. So that's why he is a playful boy. He is very obedient boy because he love to enjoy which fruit? That is the gruel. Gruel is made up of oats, boiling of oats into water or milk, that is called the gruel. So he enjoyed which food? That is the gruel, that is made by his mother. And one day, what happened now? Ramu's father said that he has to go for an errand. Errand means a small job. Okay, so small work. So Ramu goes for the next village. Why he go for the next village? To bring some medicine from the doctor. Okay, and why? Who is ill? So who was ill? That is his granny. His father said that go to the next village and bring some medicine from the doctor to his sick granny. And what is the circumstances that his father ordered that, his father, what he said to Ramu, that he has to go fast and come back as soon as possible, because that day is solar eclipse. There is solar eclipse on that day. So his father said that is to go fast and come back as soon as possible. So every child is curious. Ramu is also curious. So he intermediate to his father. He asked his father that what question, that why is it dangerous? Why the solar eclipse is dangerous? So his father said that, his father explained that the solar eclipse, so in solar eclipse there is the harmful rays that come on the earth, and it can damage our eyesight, and it can be cause skin disease. Okay, so you not see the sun in the with the open eyes. So his father explained about the solar eclipse, that it is very dangerous for our health. Now Ramu goes to the village, and there is Vaidya. Okay, doctor means in village what we call the Vaidya, that is the Ayurvedic physician. Then he said to Vaid that his granny conditions, so because the Vaidya or thought that this medicine was his granny toothache, because he always prepare medicine of his granny, okay, whenever her toothache is there. So that's why at that time Ved also thought that this was the medicine of the toothache of his granny. Then Ved made a special medicine at that time, and they go into the jungle where he searched different types of herbs and nuts. Then it took how much time? 1.5 hours. So Ramu was already late because his father said that come back as soon as possible. So Ramu was very nervous at that time. Okay, he was very tensed because today is the solar eclipse, and the Ved take already 1.5 hours, and then after he returned, and then the Ved pounding and grinding medicine. Pounding means beating noisily, and grinding the medicine, and he prepared a special medicine. Then it took how much time? 15 minutes more. Already Ramu was tense because how much time Ved took? So 1.5 hours, and he took 15 minutes more to pounding and grinding the medicine. Then the Ved prepared medicine for his granny, and Ramu gave a bag full of grains because his father gave him as a payment. So he gave this bag full of grains to the Ved. Now when he returned back, the path of death, when the Ramu returned at home, the path is not so good because this is the muddy path and this is not safe. So Ramu was very tense already. Okay, so when he returned home, then someone chasing him. Ramu thought that this was the robbers because there are some robbers were there. So robbers chasing him. Him means Ramu. So Ramu was very petrified. Ramu was very worried. So to hid himself, Ramu hid in a dense bush. Okay, Ramu hid himself in the behind the dense bush. So what happened? Then Ramu prayed to the Akash. Akash means the sky. Ramu prayed to the Akash that what for? He prayed hard for a miracle. Miracle means magic. So what was the miracle Ramu happened? That the miracle was that is the solar eclipse. Now what will happen now? Just there is an eclipse at that time. And what happened in solar eclipse? The moon is between the earth and the sun. Okay. So what is? Because the moon rotates on the earth and the earth rotates on around the moon. So the sun fall in the line. See, the moon is between the sun and the earth. Okay. So the shadow of the moon covered the sun and the earth and turned dark. So there is darkness all around at that time. So this was what? This is the miracle that Ramu wanted because he prayed to the Akash. So at that time what the miracle happened? That is the solar eclipse. Now we will continue this. Ramu was too scared to even look up at the sky. He was too scared because his father said that don't look up at the sky because the sun rays that are reaching on the earth before and after that are very harmful for our eyesight and for our skin. So Ramu was too scared that he didn't look up at the sky at that time. He heard the robbers right next to him. Now he heard the robbers because the sound of the footsteps were so who heard? Ramu heard the robbers. Now he peered from the corner of his eyes. He peered from the corner means if you see something out of the corner of your eye, that is peering. That is Ramu peered the corner of his eye, and when he peered means when you see the corner of your eye, so Ramu also peered at the corner of his eye, and what he see, the sky has become dark. So there is darkness all around. This must be an eclipse. So what happened at that time? It's the time of solar eclipse. He shut his eyes tight. So why he shut his eyes tight? Because his father said that don't look up at this sky at that time, and the robbers was also there. So he was very scared at that time. So he shut his eyes and he heard robbers stumble away. Means robbers means जो लुटेरे stumble away, वो क्या हो गई, ठोकर लग गई, and they mumbling blind in the dark, and there is too darkness in the dark because due to the solar eclipse there is darkness all around, sounding confused and nervous. Okay, so the robbers, they are very confused, they are very nervous at that time. Now Ramu heartbeat with joy. So at that time Ramu heartbeat with joy. What happened? Joy means the happiness. What happened at this time? The robbers were gone and the eclipse was over as well. Means what is happening now? The robbers went away at that time. Okay. So Ramu felt amazed. Ramu felt very surprised. What is happening now? That the robbers were gone away. So his heart is full of joy. His heart is full of happiness. And afterwards looked like a slice of the night. It was back to daylight again. Means like a slice of night. Because it was like a slice of night when you eat a fruit. So what you take? A slice of a whole fruit. You eat just a slice. So 5 to 10 minutes there is darkness all around. So this is the slice of night. This is not actually night is. So this is only the slice of night. What is there? 5 to 10 minutes. It's like a slice of night. And what happened? Just the daylight again, because the eclipse is over now. So what happened? The daylight is there. So the robbers were gone away at that time. How could this be? He wondered. So he wondered, Ramu wondered that how could this be possible? Because I pray to Akash. And what happened now? The robbers went away at that time. So his mind is full of very surprised. He was very wondered at that time. Now with his head full of questions, Ramu raced back home to his worried parent. So in his mind, in Ramu's mind, there are so many questions arise. That how could it happen? So okay, because I pray for miracle and I pray to sky and the miracle is happening now. And what miracle? That is the solar eclipse is happening now. And because due to the solar eclipse there is darkness all around about 5 to 10 minutes, and in this 5 to 10 minutes the robbers stumble away and they went away. So these wondered. Who's wondered? Ramu felt very amazed, very wondered about this. How could be it possible? Now Ramu raced back to his worried parents. Why his parent is so worried? Because his father said that go to the next village and come back as soon as possible because there is an eclipse today. So he was very tense because he was too late at that time and robbers were also chasing him. So his father were very worried. So he thought that he raced back home. Okay. Now, if only he could be seen the pale moon moving away from the sun, he would have known the eclipse was ending and it would be not seen again for a long time. So now it could have seen the pale moon moving away from the sun. So he could see there. Ramu see that the pale moon, the yellowish moon, that is move away from the sun because it is the the solar eclipse is over now at that time. So he could have known the eclipse was ending. So he thought that the eclipse was ending. This is over now. It would not be seen again for a long time. Means it comes after many years. Okay. So Ramu wished that he could see the solar eclipse. But what he happened, that the robbers chasing him and his father said that come back home as soon as possible. So that's why this what we see at that time, the eclipse is over now. That night Ramu lay on charpai in his open courtyard. Now Ramu was laying on charpai. He gazed up at the countless stars that sparkled in the inky black sky, and then he talked to me. Means Ramu, he stared the countless stars in the sky at that time, because in his mind there are full of questions are there. What is happened actually? Okay. Because he prayed to sky and what happened? The miracle happened. So in his mind full of question, and he was laying on the charpai and he stared the sky. It was one-sided conversation because I couldn't reply. So it was one-sided conversation, means Ramu talking to himself, because he was talking to sky but the sky couldn't reply. So it was only the one-side conversation, only Ramu is talking. Anyhow, this is what he said. I wonder what is up there. So far away, so many stars, the moon, the sun and the sky. How would they look from a close distance? Someday I want to go up and find out. So he was wondering. Who was wondering? That the Ramu. Ramu was wondering that what is in the sky. There are so many stars, the moon, the sun. Okay. So all these things are in the sky. So how could be happening the miracle? So what he wondered. So he think that someday he also go there and find out what is there. Okay. So because Ramu, he was a child, so he thought that someday I also go up in the sky and find out what is there in the sky, because he prayed to the sky for miracle and the miracle happening. So that's why he thought that what is up there in the sky, because his mind was very amazed, because Ramu was very amazed, wondered, surprised at that time, because the robbers chasing him. So he was very tense at that time. So the miracle happening now. So he wanted, and someday he wished that he also go up in the sky and find what is there in the sky. Now, it is the little children like Ramu and their very big dreams that are so special about the Mother Earth. Means the little children like Ramu who are loved by the Mother Earth. Many years later, man actually walked on the moon. Means long years back, human also reached on the moon. For example, like Neil Armstrong, like Edwin Aldrin. So they also reached on the moon. Now, so this is who is telling this? That is the sky. The Akash is telling that children like Ramu, they are loved by the Mother Earth. long years back, human also reached on moon. So who is telling that? That is the sky is telling that. Now gadgets which the human calls satellite whizzed by me. Now the human made all the gadgets and the satellites that is moving around the earth. They have telescope, cameras, computers and sometimes even human on them. Okay, so human made all these things and sometimes human also on them. They try very hard to understand everything about me. Means the humans are tried very hard. Okay, they can do many discoveries about where? About the Akash, about the sky. So they can try very hard to understand everything about the sky. Me refers to the sky because sky, the Akash is telling this. They know what that I am infinite. That I am infinite means I have no beginning, no end. So the Akash is telling that I have no beginning or no ending. I know human will keep discovering more and more about me. So what is telling the Akash or the sky is telling that I know that human know keep discovering more and more about me. Means human discovers more and more about the Akash or the sky. I am waiting and watching for every such discovery. So the sky, the Akash was waiting and watching all these for each such discoveries that have to be made by the humans. That too will make the another nice story. So this was the ending, this was the revision of that chapter, that is the story of Akash. So children, we will meet in our next video.